Welcome to Smoky CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to be making an American flag cross. This cross is one that's on request from my wife. She found one on the internet, really liked them, and is hoping that we can make them in enough quantity that she could sell them in the store. The best part about this one is, she said if I could make them, she'd paint them, because I do not enjoy painting the real detailed stuff like that. So let's get started. Well guys, it came out pretty nice. Of course, again, I did this on MDF. This was the first run of this, and I'm sure we're going to find a better way of doing all the painting. I just taped it off one piece at a time, as you saw. I'm sure she'll find a process that's a lot faster. But I mean, overall, I thought it came out pretty nice. You did see that I cut this out on a scroll saw. Usually I would use my bandsaw to cut something like this out, but I've got it set up for aluminum right now. I've been cutting on some aluminum. And so no bigger than this was. That scroll saw did great. I didn't have to do any sanding. Normally, whenever I set this up on the machine, on the CNC machine, I'll have it just do the cutout, and I won't have to worry about it at all. But this is 3/4 inch stuff. I mean, it's pretty thick, and we're going to probably be doing that, the other crosses on 1/2 inch. And it's a lot easier for that machine to cut it out. It doesn't have to make 10 passes to cut all the way through it, kind of like it does this stuff here. It's just pretty thick. Anyway, well, hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.